Alrighty. Good morning, beautiful people. It's your favorite financial life coach, and welcome to another episode of 5 Minute Finance with Coach Star. Today is day 2 of our Own Your Freedom, the 5-day Money Makeover, and I'm super excited to talk about debt. With your financial plan or your budget in hand, you're now ready to tackle the biggest threat to your wealth creation, and that is debt. Let's talk about debt, baby. Let's talk about you and me. The reason I say you and me is because 80% of Americans are struggling with debt, and the total U.S. consumer debt is $14.9 trillion. That is astronomical. So keep getting these notifications. So no one is exempt. Well, most people aren't exempt. Most Americans are struggling with debt, including myself. And I talk about this in my new book, Live Freely, Freedom to Work Whenever, Wherever, where I paid off $33,000 worth of debt in 36 months, save in a fully funded emergency fund, fixed my credit, fired my boss, and began traveling the world. And now I live abroad in Mexico. So your debt elimination should be a part of your debt elimination, paying down debt, whether that's credit card debt or loan debt, high interest debt, should be a part of your monthly budget that we talked about yesterday. At least paying off the minimum amount, because debt has a way of ruining our finances, because if you're struggling with high interest debt to pay it off, you're actually hustling backwards, because debt takes money out of your household and away from you being able to save, to invest, and grow your money and live freely. So there are essentially two strategies that you can implement into your financial lifestyle to eliminate debt. And one is the snowball method. Good morning, Ronnie. Thank you so much for joining the live today. Oh, remember, when you come into the space, to type in hashtag IAW. That stands for I Am Wealth, because we are creating a mindset and a lifestyle for wealth and prosperity. And it all begins in your mind. That's the first place you start when you want to organize your finances and live the life that you deserve. So the snowball method is essentially paying off your debt, starting with the smallest debt and gradually working your way up to the largest debt until all your debt is paid off. And the logic behind this approach is that with paying down small debt, you build the confidence to continue paying off your debt until your debt is paid off. The second approach is the envelope. I can't talk. Geechee Finance with Coach Star. Avalanche method, and that is the opposite of the snowball method, where you begin paying off your debt starting with the highest interest until you pay off all of your debt. And the logic behind this approach is, with holding on to high interest debt, you're losing money in the long run. So starting with your high interest, you essentially can save money over the long period of time. So these are two methods that you can implement into your financial lifestyle, and you can begin today. I know, like I talked about yesterday, organizing your finances can be, or our relationship with money can be chaotic, but with a little applied effort and energy, we can create the life that we deserve and create wealth and prosperity, not for just ourselves, but to create generational wealth. It's not too late to join the challenge. You can join the challenge at www organize-kaos.com and begin saving your money